granddaughter. She's going to get her first adjustment. I know. Typical spots are between the shoulder blades and the neck. A little off on the right side. Notice how she's tipping her head this way a little bit. This is her adjusting table right here. I know. There. Just like that. Okay, bouncy, bouncy. You're okay. One more. Now, over and help me hold. You want to come here, Genesis? Come here. Hold your sister like this. Put your hands like that. Yeah, just hold her still, okay? Don't get her adjust. Don't gotta hold her hands. Ready? There. Okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. They get over it quickly.